What up, world? I'm Steve, founder and CEO of CryptoCrewUniversity.com. This is where we keep crypto simple. Today, another exciting video, bear market bottoms, the opportunity of a lifetime. If you're new here, join the movement, hit that subscribe button right now, and everybody hit that thumbs up button. I appreciate you. It's great to see you. I get so many emails saying, Steve, I want to be a successful trader, but I don't want to spend all day in front of a computer. I don't have time for that. I have an incredible solution for you. The reason why my classes are so successful is you will learn my customized hybrid strategy, which you only need 15 minutes a day. That's right, 15 minutes a day to be a successful trader. And by the way, I cover powerful strategies for day trading and swing trading as well. And you can also use the classes for stocks as well. So here's how to sign up, guys. 15 minutes a day, get a powerful strategy, be a successful trader. That's why my classes have been so successful. You're gonna sign up to this combo if you've been in crypto around 1 year. It'll be the very first link right down in the description. I'll link it for you inside the video right here. Save $100 right now on this combo. You're gonna sign up to this combo if you've been in crypto just a few months. It'll be the second link right down in the description. I'll link it for you inside the video right here. 15 minutes a day. You don't need to spend all day in front of the computer. Become a successful trader. Guys, we're gonna take a journey today and we have a lot of charts to look at, but we're gonna do something very different. Everybody is so focused on what Bitcoin is going to do today and later today and what is Bitcoin going to do tomorrow. We're going to take a big step back and look at this big picture because we have one of the best financial opportunities just around the corner in crypto. This won't happen again for potentially 4 years. We need to be excited. I know it's been stressful and it's been anxious. You have all these emotions about what's happened, but it's typical. What's happened is really typical. Look at this chart. You see these percentage decreases over these years? This is really typical. Right now it says 80%. We're about 82, 83%. We're right in the game. And I'm going to show you some charts and we're going to look at two things today. The golden cross is going to mark the best financial opportunity of your lifetime. Bear markets always act the same way, and the end of the bear market has what's called a golden cross. This is going to be an update to a video we did a few months ago with brand new, fresh charts that I've never shown you before. But make no mistake, this is a time to get excited. This is a time to start drooling. You're so excited about what's right around the corner. All right, all the market cycles move through the same exact formula, guys. It's been happening for hundreds of years in the stock market, the same formula. It ends with optimism and it goes right here. And then a lot of you guys got in the euphoria stage, right? A lot of you guys got in the euphoria stage. We've been through all of these. I believe we're in the panic stage right before capitulation. You remember our previous video, we talked about what the bottom may look like, and there were two options. Number one, 2,800, 2,900. That's our first option. That's what we're looking at right now and in the next 2 months. If that doesn't hold, if we get there and the charts aren't the way we expect, more than likely we'll go to 1,000. We'll update that as we move forward. But make no mistake, when you're down here, it's the best investment ever, and there's a lot of blood in the streets. We're not there yet. Today's video is about when we're going to get there. So this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, but I'm here to wake you up. This is a time to be excited about what's happening in crypto. All right, so simply put, here's the golden cross. Here's the golden cross. This video today will be about how do we identify where the golden cross is structurally with the chart, and then when do we think it's going to happen. Those are the two things we're going to answer on today's chart. But death cross. Death cross is when the 50-day moving average moves below the 200-day moving average, which identified right here. So this is the 2014 chart. We had a death cross and it was pretty ugly after that. This is the death cross of the 1-day chart, present day, right? We covered this a lot sooner than almost everybody. A lot of you guys say, Steve, you were the first human to cover it on YouTube. Our channel started blowing up because we called out the death cross a ways before it happened, and we said it's going to be the most significant thing that's happened this year in crypto, and you can see what's happened after that. So this is the golden cross, or this is the death cross. We are identifying where the golden cross is, but to get a better idea, this is a 3-day chart. We had the 3-day chart death cross, okay, back in 2014, and it was a huge spike down leading to our capitulation candle. You can see death cross here, big spike down, consolidation, capitulation candle. 3-day chart, present day, we called out the death cross before it happened again. Our channel has been blowing up again since. Welcome to everybody that's new. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Guys, death cross happened, huge spike down. We were ready for this. We have been planning for it for the better part of 2 months. All right. So golden cross is the exact opposite. The golden cross is going to mark the best opportunity. So let's structurally get an idea of when or what it would look like for this to happen. So when you have your capitulation candle, you're going to form our base, okay? And our base was this level right here where we held it through these market movements leading up to our golden cross. One thing to pay attention to is take a look at this low here on the daily chart. It lines up with our top. So you see our top here from the previous run, it ended up being our base from this formation here. Pretty significant. Look left, previous top, new base, consolidation. So what has to happen is first we need this capitulation. Then we're going to have an extended period of consolidation. This happened to be about 7 months of consolidation in 2014. And then our golden cross, which happened right here in the end of October, which led to a meteoric rise. You guys know what happened after that. It was phenomenal. I expect something really similar to play out because we've been repeating this exact chart to a T. So what we want to see present day is first we need to find our bottom. All right. And then we're going to go into what the volume will look like with this chart. All right. So pay attention to something fascinating. Again, I'm going to show you a couple charts in this video that I've never shown you before that are incredible. Wait till you see these. I can't wait to show you. So take a look at this, guys. We had this big downfall and we had our largest spike in volume in recent memory. When was the last time? It was February. So biggest spike in volume, last spike higher was February. If we go to previously, I believe we could be at this candle, and I'll explain more in detail in other charts that are really going to be fascinating. But pay attention to this candle, ladies and gentlemen. This was the largest spike in volume in recent memory. When was the last, you asked? February. Just like today. We had the largest spike in volume today, largest since February. Same with that candle here, which marked what people thought at the time was our capitulation candle. And also people are thinking, hey, is this a bottom? Is 3004, 3005 the bottom? We don't think so. There's not enough evidence in the chart that dictates that. So we're looking for potentially one of these moves, and we'll follow this move in other charts. But capitulation, consolidation, this, my friends, is what we are waiting for, this golden cross. So we're going to dig into a couple other charts and identify what we're looking for, but short and sweet, we want to see a spike in volume leading into our capitulation candle, and then we know this has begun. How long will this last? We're going to get into it, what we think will happen, and we're going to get into when, exactly when we think this this golden cross could happen, right? So before we get there, here are some reviews from the top rated crypto classes in the entire crypto space. This one's coming in from Blake from December 3rd. I was able to maximize my profits off the first 2 trades, making back my money for the courses, and I paid for a vacation to Belgium. Blake, fantastic job. I hope you had some homemade waffles. This one's coming in from Matt. Matt says, I followed your step-by-step simple plan and now have paid for your courses in my first week under your guidance. My confidence is through the roof. Matt, keep up the great work. This one's coming in from Jacob. Jacob says, in the last 2 weeks, I realized the profits that paid for your courses, your combo classes, already. So Jacob paid off the classes in the first 2 weeks. You guys see what's happening. These results are incredible. You need to take action. Get yourself signed up right now. My hybrid strategy, which you're going to learn in my classes, you're only going to need 15 minutes a day to be a successful trader. Here's how to sign up. You're going to sign up to this combo if you've been in crypto around 1 year. It'll be the very first link right down in the description. I'll link it for you inside the video right here. Save $100 right now. You're going to sign up to this combo if you've been in crypto just a few months. It'll be the second link right down in the description. I'll link it for you inside the video right here. Save $150 right now. Guys, put your foot down. Swallow your pride. You know that you need a strategy to win. Get yourself a strategy. Get yourself the best strategy, one that you only need 15 minutes a day to be successful. Now, let's get into some of these charts. These are incredible, guys. I can't wait to show you. This is the BLX chart, okay, on TradingView. This is 8 years of data. We've been showing you this now for about a week. This is the 200-week moving average. We've showed you this. We've only touched it twice in history. The only 2 candles that I showed you before, the capitulation candle and our technical double bottom candle, both touched down on the 200-week moving average, guys. We are getting close to this 200-week moving average. Guys, this is no time to be stressed out. This is no time to be anxious. This is a time to be drooling from the mouth with an amazing opportunity that's just around the corner. There's blood in the streets now. There's going to be more blood when we see our capitulation candle. But I tell you what, this is the time that we have been waiting for. This is the time I've been talking about for about 10 months. We are close. This is not a time to panic. This is a time to be excited. Now, fascinating. Watch this. The RSI, 8 years of data. Watch this. If we zoom out here, this is a weekly chart, all right? We are down here. You guys know RSI, overbought, oversold, which means we are in the most extreme oversold territory, and we've only been down in this area one time other in history. All right, this is the other bear market that we've been referring to. Okay, we had our first bottom here to right around 30. We had our capitulation candle in January. We had our consolidation period, and then we were off to the races for years. Years, not a couple months, couple weeks, no, years. So we're down here where we've only been one other time in history. This is a time to start getting excited. Do we have further room to go down? Yes, we believe so. We've outlined it in the previous video. However, it's a time to really start focusing in on when this golden cross is going to happen and when we can take the best investment potentially of our lifetimes. So one thing I want you to notice is pay attention to this technical double bottom marking the end of the bear market. Watch this technical double top marking the end of the bull run, the beginning of the downfall. Look at this technical double top here. 1 and 2. Watch the time frames of this, guys. We had our second technical double top in December recently, and the first one in June. December, June. Take a look at here. This is November and April. Just about 1 month difference for both, guys. 1 month difference for both. Technical double top, technical double flop, downfall. We're in this zone, I believe. We've touched down once. We may have some sort of a mini rally. We'll talk about that on the next chart. And then we're going to roll over again lower and have our true capitulation candle, our technical double bottom, and then we're going to be in consolidation. So we are really getting close. Steve, is it tomorrow? No, guys, this is take a step back, zoom out. We don't want to focus on tomorrow or the next day. I want you guys to focus on that big picture and why you should be really excited. Okay, here's a chart I'm excited to show you. You guys remember we did a video a little more than 2 months ago called Golden Chart. We put together the biggest trend lines in the history of Bitcoin, and there were 2 trend lines missing. And a lot of people, I saw some funny comments. Steve, I'm holding up a broom to the TV and I'm trying to find out where are your trend lines? I gave this in a bonus class to my students, as you know, a little more than 2 months ago. Okay, the trend lines are number 1 right here, number 2 right here. I'm about to show you some fascinating pieces of information with these trend lines, guys. Watch this. This is fascinating. There's something called a trend angle, guys. It tells you how strong the trend is, right? For example, if we had a trend moving at a 48-degree angle, that's parabolic. That's absurd. That's a huge move to the upside. If we just had a trend at a 15-degree angle, okay, we could be a little bit excited, but it's not powerful, right? Same on the downside. Trend angles, very important. Watch this. This trend angle from 2014. Pay attention, and we're going to measure this trend angle as well. So 2014, if we just measure this trend angle, we are at about a 31-degree angle. Actually, we're about a 31-degree angle. Now, if we measure this trend angle, we are at a 31-degree angle. It's exactly identical. The level, the trend at which we went down. Now, watch this, guys. It gets even more fascinating. Pay attention to this trend angle here, and this is going to tell us really when we could see this golden cross, in how much longer the bear market is going to be. We're going to break down those 2 things in a second. Once you understand how significant these trend angles are, watch this. This trend angle here from 2014 held extreme resistance. Then we finally broke through and we had this consolidation period here. Watch this. Present day, extreme resistance. We finally broke through. We had consolidation. Exactly identical. What happened after this consolidation? Well, we had a big downfall and we held support on this trend angle, right? My students were not surprised by this. We had planned for this 2 months ago. Okay, so extreme resistance, broke through, consolidation, held support. What happened in 2014? Broke through, consolidation, extreme downfall, held support. To the T, identical. Remember that candle I asked you to remember earlier in this episode? It's this one. Everybody thought it was our capitulation. No, we went up for a little while. We rolled over to our true capitulation candle. Remember, largest volume since February, same with present day. This is where we potentially are right now, okay? It's a scenario where back then we held support at this trend angle. Right now we're holding resistance at our current trend angle. So it's fascinating stuff. The reality is we're getting really close to what could happen, but now let's talk about when. When is I expect our capitulation within 2 months from today. According to this chart, according to the structure, according to what we've done in past, we're about 2 months. I believe it to be about within 2 months we're going to see our true capitulation. If that happens and we repeat this structure, which is highly likely to have a large consolidation period after a big downfall, we need this, guys. And I've been in the investing space for 17 years. I've been through several bear markets that they all act the same. We're going to need a consolidation period like this. We're thinking it could be about 6 months. So that means 8 months from now, we could have the best financial opportunity of our lifetime. And you may say, Steve, 8 months? I don't want to wait 8 months to make the best. Guys, watch this. Nothing in crypto just moves sideways. During this consolidation period, this may look like a small move because we're on a weekly chart. Make no mistake about it. This was a 100% move. Watch. We'll take a measured move right here. From here to our tops here is a 96% move. There's a lot of opportunities to make money in crypto. Again, this move to here was a 50% move, 47, 50%. There's still a lot of money to make in crypto, whether we're in a bear market or bull market or consolidation. It doesn't matter. There are tons of opportunity, endless, to make money. All right. So one thing that I will tell you is you're going to want to capitalize on these market moves. If you're a day trader, you're not going to capitalize. And let me tell you, a lot of you guys want to be swing traders. You're not going to capitalize on the natural moves of crypto being a swing trader. It's not possible. Okay. My hybrid strategy, I tailor-made my strategy to have the same correlation to the moves of crypto. Crypto moves at a specific speed, and it always has the same number of days or weeks to the upside, same number of days or weeks to the downside. My strategy correlates directly to that. That's why you see my students being so successful. So also I want to tell you, I made a bonus class for my students just 2 days ago on Ethereum. If you guys are an investor in Ethereum, there's a trend that's been playing out with Ethereum for 4 years. This month, December, marks the most important month by far for Ethereum in its history. This is going to be a significant month. If you're an investor, you have to know what I discussed on this bonus video. So how do you get this bonus video? You just need to sign up to the classes. Once you do, write me an email and I'll get it to you. It's that simple. So here's how to sign up, guys. You're going to sign up to this combo right here if you've been in crypto around 1 year. It'll be the very first link right down in the description. I'll link it for you inside the video right here, right now. Save $100. On top of that, get that bonus class for Ethereum. You're going to sign up to this combo class if you've been in crypto just a few months. It'll be the second link right down in the description. I'll link it for you inside the video right here. Save $150 on this combo. All you need, guys, is 15 minutes a day to be a successful trader with my hybrid customized strategy. You're going to learn it step by step. It's super simple. And by the way, we now accept credit cards. You guys nearly shut down our website since we've opened up credit cards just a week ago. The orders are flowing in from all over the world with credit cards. So I just want you guys to be aware, we now accept credit cards. We also still accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, and PayPal. Guys, if you haven't done so already, you're going to need to subscribe with post notifications on. Here's how to do that, guys. If you scroll down in the video right now, you're going to see my name. If you see subscribed in red, hit that button right now. We don't want red in crypto. Hit that button right now. Make sure it's gray and make sure the bell's got some wings on it so you can get the video hot off the press. All right. Also, I just want to say welcome in to all the new folks with our channel. Our channel's been blowing up, potentially because we made a lot of calls that were dead on accurate in this space in crypto. But welcome in, everybody. Hope you guys are amazing. Our Twitter channel has been blowing up as well, at Crypto Crew U. At Crypto Crew U. It's also linked in the description. Also, guys, what do you think? It's Casual Steve today. What do you think? Casual Steve, no bow tie, or bow tie Steve? Casual Steve or bow tie Steve? Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Last but not least, I just want to thank you guys from all over the world. This has been such an incredible ride with you. I'm trying to always show you guys videos from a different angle, something to make you think, always learning in every single video. So shout out to everybody in my home country of USA. Shout out to everybody in the UK. Shout out to everybody over in Australia. Good day, mates. Shout out to everybody in the Netherlands, in Germany. Shout out to everybody in South Africa. Shout out to everybody in India. And if I didn't name your continent or country, my apologies. Let me know where you're from in the comments. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and we're going to be keeping up to date on when this golden cross is. We're going to be following this market bottom, okay? And we're going to be keeping you updated with only the information that you must know. Our words here are never paid for. They will never be paid for. And we're not Bitcoin bulls. We're not Bitcoin bears. We're Bitcoin realists, all right? And I hope you are as well. So have a beautiful rest of your day. I'll see you right back here in 4 or 5 days from now. Peace and love to the crypto crew.